Today we're working on Jasper Active Word Lesson 6, the fifth lesson titled Converting Tabular Information. So in the income statement document, select all the text for this report from ABC Insurance Services to $12,884.75, which is all the text in this document. The easiest way to do that is to do Control A, and that selects everything. Click the Insert tab. And then in the Tables group, click Table, and then Convert Text to Table. The number of columns field, change this to 3. Right now it says 1, so change that to 3. In the Separate Text At section, click Tabs. The number of rows field now displays 19. So that's right. And so then click OK. The text ABC Insurance Services is now the first row of the table. Depending on how the original document was set up, you may find you need to make some changes to the new table. So click the Table Design tab. And in the Borders group, click the arrow for borders. Click this arrow and then click No Border. That removes all the borders, displaying only the grid lines. If necessary, click the Layout tab under the Table Tools and then click View Grid Lines. These grid lines appear on the screen only and do not print, whereas borders do. All right. Select ABC Insurance Services row. Click in the Layout tab and then click Merge Cells. Repeat for the Income Statement row. We're going to click Merge Cells. And then merge the two rows together. So let's highlight the two rows. And we're going to merge those cells. Continue formatting the table to appear similar to this sample. This is an example how you could format the tabbed report after it's been converted to a table. So let's look to see what they've done. So all right, so revenues, I move sales over to here. Wasn't that far? Well, hang on. Let me undo this. Just move sales over. And then click and move other revenues over. This 88,255. I'm going to do this. I'm going to right click and cut it. Go over here, right click or Control V and paste it. Go in the Home tab. Nope, center it. Nope, it's not centered. But let's do this. Let's right align that one. Click these two. We're going to right align those. And move those over to there. And we're going to select these. I'm going to right align those. Total expenses. I cut that. Paste it over here and right align it. And do the same thing with net income. Cut it. Paste it and right align it. So it's just showing you ways you can, and it doesn't have to be exact as long as you've done some changes like I did. All right, go to step 2. Under the Table Tools, click the Layout tab, and then Table Group, click Properties. Properties over here. On the Table tab, click Center to align the table. What that does is aligns it between the left and right margins. Click Preferred Width. Check that box and enter 5. 5.0. For text wrapping, click None. Click the Alt Text tab. And then in the title field, enter Income Statement. In the description field, enter ABC Insurance Report. And then click OK. The income statement table is now centered between the margins. In the table group, click View Grid Lines to turn this off. Open the TA Status Update January file located in your Resources folder. File open. Go to your Resources. Scroll through the document so you can see how using a table to set up minutes can be helpful when recording notes that extend past the column width, as well as to align the name of the person who has the action for the task. At the top of the Talano Adventures Status Update for January table, click the Table Selector icon to select the entire table. So click right here. That selects the entire table. Click the Table Layout tab. And in the data group, click Convert to Text, which is over here on the right. Click Tabs as a separator, and then click OK. This is an example of how tables can often be more beneficial in designing a report versus using tab stops. In a scenario such as this, where you have items that will be affected by word wrap, or you want to be able to quickly match one column of information with another, using a table structure can help with the legibility of the document. In another scenario, such as a financial report, you may want to change from a tabular format to one using commas as a separator character, so this report can then be used in another program like Excel or Access. So then select or press Control Z, and that undoes the conversion that we just did. Let's mark that as answered, submit, and see our 3 green check marks, which we have. So this completes converting tabular information. So if you didn't get something right, go back and fix it.